Hey guys, it's Nikita from So Fancy. Today I am going to be making a Mama car charm using a Mama design from the Mom Life Design Bundle. You can find the link to this bundle in the description below. First, I painted a 2-inch blank, and since I'm using heat transfer vinyl, I chose to use some sandpaper to knock down any extra imperfections. Then I used my mini Cricut heat press to press on the vinyl. Then I added some felt balls to the top and used a tassel jig to help make a tassel for the bottom. And there you have it, a cute addition to your car.